Hello guys and welcome to the first live trade analysis. I took this position on 15th February this year on daily chart of pound and Swiss franc. The daily candle on 14th February completed a bullish engulfing candle and signaled a possible breakout to continue the uptrend after this pair was in a clear consolidation phase for a few months. As you see here on this chart, support and resistance analysis have identified a possible buy setup on pound and Swiss franc. Now I will quickly zoom into this chart to study the volumes associated to the bullish engulfing pattern to confirm whether the trading volumes were in agreement to the price continuation as well. Clearly the volumes were confirming our analysis as increasing volumes were recorded over the two candles in the bullish engulfing pattern. So I placed a buy stop above the price high of the bullish engulfing candle and the stop loss was just below the low price of this candle, which is also the previous swing low in this case. Now let us study how price moved on this forex pair after the trade initiation. So guys, starting from this price candle which was associated to high volumes, pound and Swiss franc enjoyed a significant upward rally in price for 8 trading days. And then this candle with a large upper tail signaling a possible change in trend at key level. Once again, the volumes were high on this reversal candle signaling sellers entering in large numbers. This trade was running at approximately 435 pips in profit as I show you here. Guys, this is the power of this strategy. While there will be many trades which give you more than 100 pips or so, you will often be rewarded with trades like this if you stick to the guidelines and principles of this strategy. So guys, this also completes the complete live trade management analysis on pound and Swiss franc, and I will see you in the next live trade video. Hello and welcome to the second complete live trade analysis and trade management video. In this lecture, we are looking at 4-hour charts of Swiss franc and Japanese yen. On 15th Feb, a double bulls pattern with increasing volumes was recorded at key resistance zone. Also notice an inside candle on this forex pair before the second candle in the double bulls formation. Therefore guys, I entered a buy stop just above the price high of the double bulls formation and I placed my stop loss just below the previous swing low for this trade. Now I will switch to daily charts to analyze the following few sessions of this trade on one larger time frame. Although my buy trade initially went very well as you see here, but after few trading days a strong bearish engulfing candle with high volume signaled the selling strength entering in large numbers. According to professional support and resistance trading strategy guidelines, I exited my buy trade with a small 16 pips loss. And then I re-entered in the markets upon this bearish engulfing pattern and took a sell entry just below the price low of this candle. This time my stop loss was just above the price high of bearish engulfing pattern. Guys, this sell trade was confirmed by a possible breakout through the support zone which was resistance zone for the last entry. Also, the trading volumes increased over the two candles, confirming my sell entry. And as you see here, a signal bottom associated to heavy volumes at key support level appeared on this forex pair after 5 trading days. So I closed this sell trade with approximately 80 pips in profit. Guys, this is a very good example to how to look for re-entries and study the market sentiment correctly to trade smartly, and I will see you in the next video. Hello traders and welcome to live trade analysis of silver. In this video, I will explain 2 recent trades that I took on silver on both 4-hour charts and daily charts. Firstly, we're looking at 4-hour charts, and I entered a sell trade once price reversal was confirmed by this strong bearish engulfing candle with high volumes. I waited for the price to retrace for a while before I entered a sell trade on silver. And as you can see here, my stop loss was just above the last price swing high. After few trading sessions, a hammer-like formation with large lower tail was recorded at key support zone, which was also associated to heavy trading volume, so I decided to exit this position with 70 pips in profit on this 4-hour time frame sell entry. Guys, few days later, support and resistance strategy identified a possible sell setup on daily charts of silver. Notice this signal top candle indicating selling strength entering at resistance zone with high volumes. So following this signal top candle, I took a sell trade on 24th February where my sell entry price was just below the price low of signal top candle, whereas my stop loss was above the price high of that candle. Guys, this trade is still running as I speak, and I'm providing you an update on March 9th. And so far I've made approximately 180 pips in profit on this trade. My sell entry got hit upon this strong bearish candle, and then silver broke the first support and price is currently heading towards the next key level. I will provide an update on my take profit levels in the near future on this trade. Guys, I hope these live trades are helping you understand the use of support and resistance strategy even better. This also concludes the trade analysis on silver, and I will see you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to the next live trade analysis on Euro-Dollar daily charts. Once again, as you notice here, a hammer formation was recorded at a key resistance zone on this pair, and this hammer was also associated to high volumes. So I decided to take a buy position where I placed my buy entry just above the high price of this hammer formation, and my stop loss was just below the low price of hammer. However, on the next trading day, a strong shooting star formation with even higher volumes was recorded on the same resistance zone, hence I knew that I will not carry forward this trade anymore. So I exited my position based on the shooting star appearance with a small loss of 30 pip, and I would look for re-entries on this pair once the shooting star is confirmed by another bearish candle. And look here guys, the very next candle was a strong bearish candle which engulfed the small real body of the shooting star. So I placed a sell entry just below the price low of this bearish candle, whereas my stop loss was above the high of the shooting star formation. Guys, this trade is still running as I speak, and I'm providing you an update on 9th of March when my trade is running at 180 pips in profits. As you can see here, my trade got hit on this small bearish candle, and since then the price has enjoyed a very quick decline. It has already breached the first support in the way, and currently, as I've told before, it is running at 180 pips in profits. Guys, this also concludes the analysis of Euro-Dollar, and I will see you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to the next live trade analysis of gold. I want you to carefully study this live trade video because this is not based on any reversal or continuation pattern. Instead, it is based on what you have studied in section 6 of the course. That when a market is making lower highs into the support zone, it indicates the sellers are in control. So look for opportunities to sell. And as you can see here, I placed my sell entry just below the key support level, and my stop loss was above the previous swing high. Guys, this trade is also live and still running as I speak, and I'm providing you an update on 9th of March. Sell trade on gold is running at approximately 60 pips in profit. As you see here, my sell trade was triggered by this another strong bearish candle which also broke the support zone, and since then price has declined and now it is approaching the next key support level. I will provide an update on my take profit or when do I exit this trade once that happens in the near future. Guys, this also concludes the live trade analysis on gold spot chart, and I will see you in the next video. Hello traders and welcome back to the next video. Here we are looking at the live trade on US dollar and Japanese yen on daily chart. Guys, as you see here, on 24th of February, I took a buy stop position just above the resistance zone upon a double bullish formation, which was also confirmed by high volumes. So, as you see here, the first candle was low volume, but the second large bullish candle was associated to higher volumes. So based on that, I opened a buy entry and my stop loss was just below the previous swing low or below the first candle in the double bullish formation. Guys, this trade is still running and I'm providing an update on 10th of March and it's running at approximately 250 pips in profit. However, I am deciding to close this trade upon this signal top confirmed by heavy volumes. I'm expecting this trade to go further, but for the time being I am happy with my profits. I will look for re-entries later. As you see here, this position is approximately 260 pips in profits. So guys, this is what you have studied in one of the take profit guidelines, that you can exit upon a strong reversal pattern against the direction of your trend, which is also associated to high volumes. Guys, this also concludes the analysis on US dollar, Japanese yen, forex pair, and I will see you in the next live trade of pound dollar. Hello guys and welcome to the next video. Here we're looking at pound dollar on a daily charts, and if you see here, the price was in a sideways price movement, and also notice that the price was making higher highs in the sideways price movement, which is a sign of buying strength entering the market. Another higher high was confirmed by a shooting star also associated to high volumes. I opened a buy entry just above the high price of shooting star and my stop loss just below the shooting star. So guys, after few trading sessions, I closed this position once a long-legged doji and another bearish candle was seen at a key level, and then I locked my profits and I almost made around 125 pips on this trade. This also concludes the complete trade analysis on pound dollar, and I will see you in the next video. Hello guys and welcome to the final lecture in the section 7 of the course, where I will explain the complete live buy setup on US dollar and Swiss franc. On the daily charts, this pair recorded a strong bullish engulfing pattern associated to high volumes, confirming a possible breakout above the resistance zone. Once again, using the guidelines from the strategy, I opened a buy trade with my entry price just above the bullish engulfing candle and my stop loss just below this candle. Guys, this trade is still running and the markets posted a signal top formation with high volume, signaling a pause in the markets as sellers enter in large numbers. Although I'm anticipating this pair to advance towards the next key level, I'm closing this trade right now and will look for further re-entries when possible. So guys, I've gained a total around 190 pips on this trade. So all the live trade analysis that you've studied over the past 8 lectures in section 7 prove the immense strength of the professional support and resistance strategy. I hope and believe that the strategy that you learn here will go a long way in your trading career as you start trading with confidence and freedom. By trading the way that I've taught you here, you will separate yourself from the traders who trade on luck and hope and greed, which will hurt you more often than not. Guys, this also concludes section 7, and I will see you in the last section of the course for one last time.